Well, hello, boys and girls. We are back with our third lesson of the case of the gasping garbage vocabulary words. And if you look at this slide, boys and girls, it's going to be a little blurry, and I'm sorry about that, but that's just something icky that my computer did, and please forgive me for that. But let's look at our word bank. Read these words with me as I point to them. Lecture, microscope, precise, relentless, analysis, beaker, hollow, identity. Okay, now, boys and girls, what we're going to do is we're going to review our words by matching them to the correct definition or sentence that describes it. So let's take a look at number one. Read it to yourself as I read it aloud. Never slacking, but continuing always at the same level. Boys and girls, what's my word? Is it relentless or identity? Shout it out. Relentless. Good job. Number two. Flat-bottomed glass containers used in laboratories. Boys and girls, which one is that? Is it microscope or beaker? Shout it out on three. One, two, three. Beakers. Awesome job, boys and girls. An educational speech on a particular topic. Now, would that be lecture or analysis, boys and girls? On three. One, two, three. Lecture. Good job. Number four, very exact and accurate. Now, is that precise or hollow? Shout it out on three. One, two, three. Hollow. No, I'm sorry, boys and girls. That's precise. Precise. Good job. Number five, the examination of something in detail to draw conclusions from it. Take a moment, boys and girls. Would that be microscope or analysis? Waiting for you. That would be analysis because I'm examining it. Number six, having an empty space inside. When it's empty inside, it's what, boys and girls? Do you know? Hollow. Good job. It is hollow. Number seven, a device that uses a lens to produce a greatly magnified image of an object. Now, would that be microscope or identity? Microscope or identity? Shout it out now. Absolutely, that would be a microscope. We're looking at things really, really small under the microscope. And number eight, who or what are or something is. Who or what you are or something is. Is that relentless or identity? I'm listening. Absolutely. If you said identity, you are correct because your identity is who you are. Now, boys and girls, down here where you see your grade, go ahead and say 100% because I know you rocked this lesson. I know you knew those words. If you need help with the vocabulary definitions, go back to the first video and it'll tell you. Or if you look in your Schoology, you'll be able to see your study guide for this week. All right, boys and girls, those are vocabulary words. Until next time, you need to always remember that Miss Gardner loves you. Bye-bye.